Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 36 रन एंड मार्टिन की हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक। टॉपिक है ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब। यहाँ दिया है नेम द वर्ब्स इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड टेल इन ईच केस वेदर द वर्ब इज ट्रांजिटिव और intransitive. Where the verb is transitive, name the object. The sun shines brightly. Shines. Intransitive verb. The boy cut his hand with a knife. Cut. Transitive. His hand with a knife. His hand. Object. The clock stopped this morning. Stopped. Intransitive. The policeman blew his whistle. Blew. Transitive. His whistle. Object. The sun rises in the east. Rises. Intransitive. An old beggar stood by the gate. Stood. Intransitive. The clock ticks all day long. Ticks. Intransitive. I looked down from my window. Looked. Intransitive. Put away your books. Put. Transitive. Your books. Object. The moon rose early. Rose. Intransitive. The cat sleeps on the rug. Sleeps. Intransitive. The cock crows in the morning. Crow. Intransitive. Your book lies on the table. Lies. Intransitive. The fire burns dimly. Burns. Intransitive. Time changes all things. Changes. Transitive. All things. Object. We eat 3 times a day. Eat. Intransitive. Tell the truth. Tell. Transitive. The truth. Object. The birds sing in the green trees. Sing. Intransitive. Either here it can be hopped or sang. All will come as intransitive verb. The little bird hopped about and sang. Same thing here. Hopped and sang. Intransitive. My new watch does not keep good time. Does not keep. Transitive. Good time. Object. The beggar sat down by the side of the road. Sat. Intransitive. I could not spare the time. Could not spare. Transitive. The time. Object. The boy easily lifted. He took shelter under a tree. Took. Transitive verb. Under a tree. Shelter. Shelter. Object. The boy easily lifted the heavy weight. Lifted. Transitive verb. The heavy weight. Object. Balu wrote a letter to his uncle. Wrote. Transitive verb. A letter. Object. A tiny bird lived under the caves. Lived. Intransitive verb. I know a funny little man. Know. Transitive. A funny little man. Object. Birds fly in the air. Fly. Intransitive. A light rain fell last night. Fell. Intransitive. I shall bring my camera with me. Shall bring. Transitive. My camera. Object. You speak loudly. Speak. Intransitive. The dog ran after me. Ran. Intransitive. 1. The exercise. If you liked it, subscribe करें. ASA Education. अगली exercise.